Hello friends, lilipit ako sa Kuya Salot. Ano ba? Ang pangit. Dapat doon sa malayo, ino. Friends! Ano ba? Hindi tayo makabidyo pala dito sa new car natin, friends. Ganyan siya, oh. Nangangapa pa ako, friends. Sobrang hirap na hirap ako dito. Walang kambyo. Ano ba? Ayan na, friends. Walang hirap sa akin. Driving tayo, friends, ha? It's 6:26 PM in South Korea. But still. Ano, friends, American friends, maliwanag pa. Maliwanag. Ano bang maliwanag sa English? I don't care. My English is very nagbubalintong, no? Kasi because I have lots of American friends, I don't care. My English is nagtuwad-tuwad because I just want them to understand me. American friends, let's drive. Friends, this is my first time to drive this car. Oh my gosh, scary naman, friends. Uy, sanay ako sa Santa Fe ko. Ito parang, alam mo yung tipong parang takot na takot ka. Bilisan natin kasi marami tayong kalaban sa likod. Overtake tayo, ah. Friends, look at that, oh. The weather is good, American friends. Oo, friends, yung parang ingat na ingat ka sa car mo because new car, ganun. American friends, I changed my car. American friends. This is a brand new car. A brand new car of Lily Vuitton. American friends. My husband order. Wala na. Dito na ating camera. Makinig na lang kayo dyan, ha. Hindi yan na off, eh. Kasi friends, ano, eh. Our camera is natigok na. Natumba na. Hindi ko pa na prepare yung ating ano. Expressway ito. I can't touch my phone, American friends. Oh my gosh. Teka lang, lipat tayo ng lane. Kasi magdandahan lang tayo, no? Kasi I'm scared, American friends. I'm still scared. This is O2. You know, friends, this car is amazing. This car can go anywhere alone. He can go left, he can go right alone. It seems like I'm scared. And it's so, American friends, are you there? Our camera is natumba. And I cannot touch that because I'm driving, American friends. I don't know if you hear me. Did you hear me? The view is very beautiful, but our camera is natigok. I don't know, natigok ba? I think we stay this lane. I want to run slowly. They run so fast. Oh, look at them, oh. Hey! Oh my God. Our car friends will want to go left and right. Natigo ka ating camera? Ano bang gagawin natin dyan? Scotch tape natin? Because this is old, eh. Old camera. What is that? Saka ko na lang kayo i-drive, friends, ha. Pag okay na, ayusin muna natin yung ating camera. Nilipat ko lang kasi, eh. Hey! Let's cut, see! You are very, very fast naman dong. No camera. Lily is in the highway, expressway. kusok turo. Kamera kwang hisa. Utuke. Ay, sinja. Camera is life, Lily. You go left, dong. I don't want to go left, dong. Because my car is like, he wants to go left and right. He wants to go. Lalaki ba yun? Car go right and left. I think I need to cut the, because no view eh. Okay. Sarap naman mag-driving, friends. Basta new car, masarap mag-driving. Ano ba? Napakasayang ating camera, natuwad. Dapat pala, inayos ko kanina, you know? Hindi ko naisip. Mahirap talaga pag bago pa. Walang ano. Wala, hindi pa naayos. Sana mag-drive din tayo bukas, no? Pero ayoko magdala ng camera, friends, eh. Ayun eh, ng car, eh. Ayoko magdala ng car sa hisa. Sa trabaho. I enjoy riding a bus. Company bus. It seems like I am going to tour every day. Yeah, American friends. I love to ride a bus, as a company bus. I enjoy the people smiling at me when I'm in the bus. Yeah, American friends. Our camera is natigok. No, I think it's not natigok, no? Natumba lang siya. I think you are listening at me. I don't know. I'm not sure. Hey! Friends, they are always ano na? Ayun pa, oh. Ano ba tawag ng tawag sa akin? Ay, nag-drive ako. Friends, na ano ko yung camera ko kasi nagdahan-dahan ako, walang car. Daya namang camera na to, walang pakiramdam. Bakit ba kayo tawag ng tawag sa akin? Ano bang mayroon sa akin? Yung camera natin, friends, pwedeng galawin kasi dandahan tayo, oh. Walang yung camera to, lang pakisama. Napunta na sa, ayan. Mag-off tayo mamaya. Narinig niya ako, nagsalita. Nagdandahan lang talaga ako para maibalik ko yung camera, eh. Para sa inyo, eh. Ang ganda pa ng view. Paano kaya i-cut yan, no? Pwede bang mag-cut? Magbabay muna ako, friends, ha? Babay muna ako, ha? Wala namang car, eh.